Alrighty, good evening, folks. This is TDT, the Developing Trader, coming at you with another episode. And today, as I stated in our previous video, we will start to only focus on the 5-minute chart and finding those specific trades that you can take throughout the intercession days. So, as usual, we have here the SP500. And if you've been paying attention to the YouTube mentorship model that ICT has been doing, then you should know that on a daily basis, you should be marking up your chart, finding your trades, and just studying the movement of the market, implementing the model that he has created for you on his channel. So what I'm going to do real quick here today is just find a trade that you could have taken with that model on today's price action in the S&P 500. Now, before I go ahead and lay out where that trade is, I want you to stop the video just like ICT does and go ahead and see if you can find that trade. If you didn't pause the video, then you'll just have to see where I am finding it. So we can see that in the AM session, there was a really choppy opening going up, headed down. There are some things you can see here if you study price. I'm not going to dive too deep into it, but what I do want you to take a look at is in the PM session. Notice what's happening right after the lunch in the PM session here. What you will see is we have this price action right here. Stops are ran, market breaks down. And if you go down to the lower time frames, I'm pretty sure you will see that there's a break in market structure right here. Let's take a look and see if we can find that break. So now, here's that little range of price that I was talking about when we were on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it here because I know my mouse doesn't show all the time as I needed to, and some of the guys cannot see what I'm showing here. So here we go. In that time frame, I said that there will be a break in market structure right here. And as you can see, we go up and take the liquidity, right? Look at all these equal highs at the top here and even over here. You can see there are quite a few tops here. Let me go ahead. I know my thing isn't showing right there. So you can see a lot of highs that weren't violated. Then all of a sudden, boop, price pokes its head up here. Here's your break in market structure as taught on the YouTube mentorship, and price returns back into the gap with the order block, and we're off to the races for a beautiful PM trade. So that's the trade of the day that I'm going to be showing here. If you like what I'm doing, maybe I'll go ahead and start looking at the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ as well. But I want to keep these videos real compact, show you trades that you could have taken if you just study the model on YouTube. And we're going to just keep growing and keep developing. So I wish you all the best. You enjoy your journey and keep developing, man. This is TDT out.